Our festivals. Festivals are special days. We celebrated them with our family, friends, neighbors and relatives. We greet each other and exchange gifts. We have a lot of fun and enjoy ourselves. We celebrated many festivals in India. Festivals can be national festival or religious festival. We also celebrated some harvest festivals. National festivals. The festivals of national importance are called national festivals. We have three national festivals: Independence Day,
Republic Day.
On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrated this day as our Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. We host it in schools, colleges, government offices and our neighborhood. We also sing our national anthem. Republic Day. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. Every year there is a huge colorful parade in New Delhi at Rajpath to celebrate it. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrated this day as our Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. We host it in schools, colleges, government offices and our neighborhood. We also sing our national anthem. Republic Day. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. Every year there is a huge colorful parade in New Delhi at Rajpath to celebrate it. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is a birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. We celebrated it as Gandhi Jayanti. We call him the father of our nation. Religious festival. People follow different religions on all over the country. The festivals they celebrated are called religious festivals. Dasara. Lord Rama killed Ravana on Dasara. We also called it Vijayadashami, which means the victory of God over evils. We burn the models of Ravana, Meghnath and Kumbhakarna on Dasara. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated around the same time as Dasara. People wear new clothes and pray to Goddess Durga for 5 days. Then they immerse her idols in the river. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. On this day, people decorated their house with the candles and diyas. They wear new clothes and exchange sweets. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after living in exile for 14 long years.
Christmas.
Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to the church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorated Christmas trees with gifts, stars, lights and bells. Children wait for Santa Claus who gets gift for them.
Guru Parab.
On Guru Parab, Sikhs remember one of their 10 Gurus. They decorated the Gurudwaras with flowers and lights. They recite the verses from the Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikhs. People eat langar from a common kitchen. Langar is a free meals served in Gurudwara. Eid. Ramzan is the holy month in which Muslims observe fast. Eid is celebrated after Ramzan. On this day, people embrace and wish each other Eid Mubarak. They offer namaz in mosque and eat a sweet dish called sevain. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It makes the end of the winter and beginning of summer. People gather around a huge bonfire on Holi Eve. The next day, people splash colored water on each other and apply gulal. Sweets like gujia are made at home and enjoyed by all. Ganesh Chaturthi. On Ganesh Chaturthi, we celebrated the birth of Lord Ganesha. People bring ideals of Lord Ganesha to their houses and worship them. Sweets called modak are made and offered to Lord Ganesh. At the end, the idols are immersed in a water body. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to cut. We call them by different names in different parts of the country. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival celebrated mainly in Punjab. People bath in a holy river, sing songs and do bhangra and gidda on Baisakhi. Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. People make special dishes called pita, sweet made of rice flour, larus, sweet made of rice and coconut, and jolpan, snacks. Women wear colorful saris, sing folk songs and dance. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. People thank the sun god, rain and farm animals and have helped in the harvest. They decorated their houses with kolam, rangoli made of rice powder. They cook rice with gur, jaggery and milk and offer it to the sun god. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is a rice harvest festival. It lasts for 10 days. People decorated elephants, have boat races, play games and pray to God Mahabali. They wear new clothes and make rangoli of flowers.